Welcome back to Museful. So today we will be doing a review slash unboxing of the updated version of the Res Gen 2. They did rename it. It is now called the Hatch Baby. So let's open it up and see how it looks compared to the previous version. So what this device is, it is a smart light or smart device for your child's room. This device provides light, it provides sound that you can monitor and control from a smart app on your phone, Samsung or Apple. So taking this out of the box, first reviews, it does look a lot different from the previous version. The previous version was a cone, and this is more shaped like a little lamp. On the previous version, it had a silver ring at the top, and this has a physical button, which I do like. It's more tactile and more tangible. This also has a brightness light on this one as well. On the other one, it did not have a brightness light, which I did not like, and it had a snooze button on the back, and the previous version did have that as well. Why do you want or why should you buy a Hatch? The reason we bought a Hatch was we were looking for a smart device that allowed us to control sound and give soothing music to our kids in their rooms. We've had one for my son. He's had it for about 3 years. And then we decided to get one for my daughter. She's had her for about 2 years. It does come with a feature where you can buy and download new sounds and new themes and new music through the app, which is a great feature. My son listens to books and stories before he goes to bed every night. It's very soothing. This also provides white noise if you have an infant. So if you're looking for a great device to implement and allows to grow with your child, this is the Hatch Baby, and we recommend buying this. We have 2 of them already, and this is our 3rd one. So as you can see, we really do enjoy this product, and we continue to invest in this product because it does work, and it is very soothing for our kids. So first-hand review, this is a great product. Thank you for watching. Please like, follow, and share.